Hi, I'm Duncan, a bankruptcy attorney here at Duncan Law. The next question is one of my favorite questions, and it's one of the questions that we get more often than probably any other question. And that is, if I'm filing for bankruptcy, how in the world am I supposed to pay for a bankruptcy attorney or bankruptcy lawyer? It's a great question, and it's obviously an important question. The reality of it is, let me first say this, you don't have to have a bankruptcy attorney to file for bankruptcy. I would highly recommend it. I think that might be an understatement, but I would highly recommend that you have a bankruptcy attorney, but you don't have to have one. It's not required that you have one to file, but I would recommend it. So if you do decide to go the route of having an attorney, how do you pay for them? Well, it depends. Most attorneys are going to obviously have their own fees, what they charge. But one of the things that we do here at Duncan Law is we have what's called an easy payment plan. So we're able to set you up on a payment plan where you pay a little bit of money each month or every week or however it's set up. We work with you to get that set up. And then once that's been paid, the fees have been paid, we can actually file the bankruptcy for you. One of the other things, another way that you can save up money to pay for your bankruptcy attorney is if you're doing something like a Chapter 7 bankruptcy where you're wiping out your unsecured debts, then it's probably a good idea to stop paying those unsecured debts. Things like credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, things along those lines. If you're giving up your house, then you would most likely want to stop making your mortgage payment. The money that would otherwise be going to those areas, you can save that money and then use that to put towards your attorney's fees. So if you're looking to pay an attorney, how do you get that money? I think the easiest way is to stop paying your bills, except for utilities, mortgages. If you want to keep that, you need to continue to pay those. But utilities, mortgages, things along those lines, you need to make those payments. Car payments if you want to keep that. But other unsecured debt, credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, things along those lines, if you're wanting to give up and wipe out that debt, stop making those payments. Save that money up, use it towards your attorney's fees, so that way you can go ahead and get an attorney, file the bankruptcy, and create your fresh financial start. So that's how you would pay an attorney, a bankruptcy attorney, if you are bankrupt. I know it's always easier said than done, but I would also, not only for us, but for all attorneys, I would say contact your attorney and see what they can do to help you out and work with you. But I know we're always willing to work with our clients, make sure we set them up on a payment plan to ensure that we get these fees paid, and so that way you can also, like I said, get your fresh financial start. Again, my name is Duncan, a bankruptcy attorney here at Duncan Law.